Changing the brakes on a Kia Soul, which is pretty simple. I mean, you know, you remove your lug nuts, which is obvious, and you're gonna remove this bolt, which I already broke it loose. You're gonna remove this bolt. You can use a, let's see if I can focus it in, a 14mm socket. Put it on here. Break your bolt down, boom. Put it over here. Break your bolt down, boom. Should get those. That's how you take them off. Break them loose. And pretty much just wiggle this loose. It comes up. You just set that right there. Real simple. Brake pads in here. So work them out. And you probably can stick a flathead screwdriver behind it as well. Just take it out. Front part. Still got a pretty much decent amount of meat. Not too bad. Back goes out. The back ones is down. They gone. So that's pretty much it. You reverse the rolls, and I'll show y'all that in a second. Or should I say, kind of got this is the new front pads. See the difference between the two. This was brake wise. That's the old new. So I put them in. It's pretty simple, and this little clip right here actually pushes forward when the brake when it comes out, the pad comes out. So when you put the bottom one in, you can push it back to right here, and then as you go to the work to the top, just pull it back and it'll slip in the slots. Pretty easy. Same for the back was easier than the front, honestly, but they both pretty much easy. So once you do that, put some little, you know, brake grease on it front and back. And now time to push the caliper back some. Put my C-clamp, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. And then you're all done. Bolt everything back up, go to the other side, and you're good to go pretty much. So you want to use an old brake pad, stick it in there, put the C-clamp on it, and then you want to twist it back. So it's really pretty simple. Just want to spin this back. Like I say, you know, I'm one-handed right now, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Pretty much put that on that. Put that here. Let's see, one-handed. So you put that here. Put that on the back of that. Then you just twist this till the caliper goes all the way back till it can't go anymore. So that way your new brakes will fit, you know, the caliper will fit over top of the new brake pad because of the thickness of the new pad. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna do this with two hands, but y'all get the idea of what I'm saying. Just twist it until it pushes all the way back, so you can put your caliper back on. Now you can pretty much see that the caliper is all the way back flush. You can just take this loose and pretty much good to go. From there, release this, put it back over top of that, tighten it up, and we should be good. Actually, I started with that passenger side, and I'm ending up on the driver's side. So basically, this is pretty much it. Once everything's back together, bolts in, pretty much simple. New pads in. I changed these out too. They came in the box, so these were the old ones. They just slip in, pop out. It's real simple. So like I say, pretty easy job. On a scale 1 to 10, I give it about a 3. you know, to do it. So not hard at all. All right, see y'all on the next one.